Hi, this is Kadambini and you are watching Kadambini Srishti. So in the last video, we have discussed the different WH words. And in this video, what we are going to discuss today is how to answer those WH questions. Okay, so don't skip the video. It is quite essential for high school students, those who are going to sit in the annual HSC examination. Let us first know what are the points or what are the steps that we should follow before answering any question from the unseen passage. Okay, so the first point is read it carefully. Then what is the next point? Yes, the next point is again read the passage carefully. Then next comes, now you go to the questions. Okay, and in the questions you will find some specific words and your duty is to find those words where those words are there in the passage. So when you get the sentence that is having the same words, then write down that line or one or two lines before or after the particular line, and you will surely get the answer and also good marks. Here you will get some questions, those answers are not directly given in the passage, and such type of questions you have to think and answer. Let us have the passage and the questions and the question answer discussion. So the passage is as follows. The sun is a star. It looks like a big ball of fire. We can see it in the sky. It is very hot and it gives us heat and light. It rises in the east in the morning. In the evening, it sets in the west. It is brighter than the moon. We cannot look at it. It has 9 planets. The earth is one of them. So it moves around the sun. Sun is the source of all energy. So the people worship it as God. Okay, my dear students, now we have our passage with us. It is already given on the screen. So the next duty is let us answer some of the WH questions. So the first question is, what is the sun? So this is what type of WH question? As I have already said in the last video. So what will be the answer? What means? Answer is a thing. Now the question is how to write this sentence. So the first thing is you just skip the WH word and the verb. These two things. So what is left? The sun. So you have to start the answer from the sun. And the next thing is the first letter of any sentence is capital. So the first letter of the T. T is capital. So start writing the answer, the sun, then bring the verb, that is. So the answer is, the sun is a star. Okay, is it clear? So the first step, you just think what will be the answer of this WH word, that is what. So answer is a thing. And the second step, skip WH word and verb. Start from the next word, that is the sun. And the third step, make the first letter capital, that is the sun is a star. So our second question, who moves around the sun? Okay, so here I have already said when you have any who type of question, just replace the answer in place of who. So here the answer is the earth, and also we consider earth as a person. So generally we have person for the answer of who, but sometimes it also deviates. Okay, so here we have to write the earth moves around the sun. Okay, next question is, when does the sun rise? So you just again skip the WH word and the verb, that is when and does. So the answer starts, the sun rises in the morning. Likewise, we can have another question, when does the sun set? The sun sets in the evening. And the next question is, where can we see the sun? Okay, so again skip where and can. So our answer is, we can see the sun in the sky. Next question, why? Why does man worship the sun as God? You know, I said why means because. So again skip why and dodge. So the answer starts, man worships sun as God because sun is, or we can say because it is the source of all energy. So this is the way that we can answer the WH questions. So if you think it is essential and should be followed and will be helpful, then you can follow these rules. Okay, I hope you have understood now how to answer such WH questions. So I have a homework or task for you. So I will put 2 questions here and you have to answer using the comment box. Let us see how many of you are really understood what does the video explain. So the questions are, the first question, what does the sun give us? What does the sun give us? And the second question, who is the source of all energy? Who is the source of all energy? Thought of the day. Half the harm that is done in this world is due to the people who want to feel important, said by T.S. Eliot. So stay home, stay blessed. I will be right back with another new video for you all. Till then, goodbye and take care. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you.